In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a chat in the ChatGPT iPhone app. If you've ever wanted to quickly jump back to a past conversation without endless scrolling, this is the simplest way to do it. We'll go step by step so you know exactly what to look for and how to get to the chat you need in seconds. Start by opening the ChatGPT app on your iPhone. When the app launches, you'll land on your chat list, which shows your recent conversations. Give it a second to load if your list is long or your connection is slow. Once you're on the main screen, you're ready to navigate. Next, tap the menu button. You'll find it in the top left corner, represented by two horizontal lines. This opens the side panel and ensures you're viewing the full chat list with the controls you need. If you ever lose your place, tapping this menu button is a quick way to reorient yourself and see your chats at a glance. Now look toward the top of your chat list for the search icon. It looks like a small magnifying glass. Tap that icon to activate the search field. This brings up a keyboard and a simple bar where you can type what you're looking for. Type a keyword or phrase that you remember from the conversation. Think of terms that are specific enough to narrow things down. A project name, a unique phrase you typed, a topic like resume, or even a short snippet you remember using. If your first try brings up too many results, try a more distinctive word. If nothing shows, try a broader term or double-check spelling. You don't need to type full sentences. A couple of meaningful words usually works best. As you type, you'll see results appear that match your query. Scan the titles and previews to spot the conversation you want. When you recognize it, simply tap that result to open the chat. The app will take you straight into that conversation so you can pick up where you left off, review details, or copy information you need. If it's a long thread, scroll to revisit earlier messages, and if the result wasn't the one you intended, just go back and refine your search terms. That's all there is to it. Open the app, tap the menu button, use the search icon at the top of your chat list, enter a keyword or phrase, and tap the matching result. With a couple of quick taps, you can find any conversation without digging through your entire history. Thanks for watching and happy searching.